Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Mr.Tree from Incredibox Sprunki. Mr.Tree stands tall, both literally and metaphorically, as one of the most memorable and intriguing characters in Sprunki. With his cartoonish design featuring 4 vibrant green leaves, a sturdy brown trunk, and a warm, smiling face, he instantly captures the attention of any observer. Despite his simple appearance, there's an undeniable aura of wisdom surrounding him, a kind of ageless patience that only a character over 50 years old could exude. Compared to the livelier and often more expressive Sprunki characters, Mr.Tree moves with a deliberate slowness, each creak of his wooden form resonating like the groan of an ancient door swinging open. It's a sound that feels strangely comforting and eerie at the same time. As the second oldest character in the Sprunki universe, only surpassed by the ever-radiant Mr.Sun, Mr.Tree seems to occupy a role akin to that of a wise sage or an old storyteller. He carries the weight of time in his wooden frame, and his rare movements suggest that every action he takes is deeply considered. Interestingly, he shares a naming convention with Mr. Sun and Mr. Fun Computer, all bearing the formal Mr. prefix. Whether this shared title hints at a deeper connection or is merely a stylistic choice is open to interpretation, but the symmetry is hard to ignore. However, one thing is certain, Mr.Tree and Veneria are explicitly not related, despite what some fans might speculate based on their shared botanical themes. Nyanko BFLOL's observation about Mr.Tree's voice being akin to a creaking door feels oddly fitting. It's not just a sound, it's a statement. Every word he utters seems to carry weight, as though it's been marinated in decades of thought before being spoken. Yet, his speech patterns also have an eerie edge, especially when paired with his slow movements and the subtle sense of melancholy that seems to follow him. One of the more chilling aspects of Mr.Tree's lore is his connection to the real-world disappearance of McKenna R. May. The fact that her missing person poster is directly tied to Mr. Tree's character creates an unsettling bridge between fiction and reality. That she went missing on Sprunki's creation date, August 26, 2024, feels far too coincidental to be ignored. Whether this was an intentional narrative choice or a deeply disturbing accident is unclear, but it undoubtedly adds a dark undertone to Mr.Tree's otherwise serene presence. In the cancelled update of Sprunki, Mr.Tree's initial dialogue overlaps with the second input in the first loop during horror mode. This glitchy presentation isn't just a technical hiccup, it feels purposeful, almost as if Mr.Tree is struggling to communicate something important but is being silenced or distorted by external forces. In normal mode, he seems more synchronized, his presence harmonizing with the sounds of gray and sky. This detail makes me wonder, is Mr.Tree a passive observer in the grand narrative of Sprunki, or is he a key player subtly influencing events from the shadows? Another curious aspect of Mr.Tree's design is his apparent lack of arms or hands. While other characters often interact with their surroundings in expressive and dynamic ways, Mr.Tree's immobility creates a sense of detachment. He doesn't do things, he watches, he listens, and when he speaks, it's with a gravity that demands attention. This lack of physical action makes his moments of movement all the more impactful, as though the very act of him shifting or turning is an event in itself. In the more recent or perhaps scrapped versions of Sprunki, Mr.Tree seems to align with Tunner rather than operating independently. This change, if intentional, might hint at a deeper relationship between the two characters or possibly even a shared purpose within the game's broader lore. Tree's presence shifts dramatically between normal mode and horror mode, and as a watcher, the contrast is both fascinating and deeply unsettling. In normal mode, Mr. Tree feels lively despite his rooted nature. His mouth moves in sync with the beat, and his entire form vibrates rhythmically, as though the music is flowing through his wooden frame. When the tempo rises, he widens his eyes with a sense of excitement, or perhaps surprise, that gives him an oddly endearing quality. His movements are deliberate, but they still carry a sense of playfulness. It's a charming performance for a character who seems so ancient and wise, almost as if he's briefly shedding his sage-like demeanor to share a fleeting moment of joy with the world. But when the screen flickers and the atmosphere shifts into horror mode, Mr. Tree becomes something else entirely. His once vibrant greens and warm browns drain away, replaced by cold, lifeless grayscale. His happy face turns hollow, and his presence feels oppressive. Hope you liked this video. See you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.